muffler now, boy. Yeah. 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 Look at it. Yeah. Yeah. It's the tuna can. We shut them both off.
Cut right. Well, this is really close to the fuel tank, though, man.
I know. Whatever. It won't go for the fuel tank. Trust me.
Okay, but
I'll be smart. No fuel.
Well, I gotta take it off. So.
Here, take some pictures.
Man, we should take the gunfight. We should do the gunfight one. We should put some bullet holes so we can say we're in gunfight.
Yeah.
People actually think it's really homey.
Fuck, I hate when it does that. Yeah! Hear what the bazookas do! Holy doggy!
Get that pipe off, baby. Yeah. This is tuner exhaust, straight custom. This is how tuners do.
That's how we do!
You want hardcore exhaust, just chopper. And you got good exhaust, boy. Only costs about $20. Bring it to my farm. He's looking his head. Got the right angle, you kick back, butt. We were teaching how to do exhaust around here, y'all. Take a big video clip of this whole thing here.
Put the backhoe up. That's how we bazookas do. There you go. Perfect, there you go. Yeah, bro.
Is it all gone?
Oh, you gotta chop
Oh shit, there's a little piece off. 1 second.
Here, I'll just take that sled.
Take the hammer.
I take the hammer down. There, I don't think I need it. No exhaust now, what?